Mental health is often a condition that is closeted, seen as a taboo or something that people should be ashamed of. On Wednesday night, an expert within the field of mental illness will speak at the National Library of Aruba, who encourages a community and a public system that addresses the issue at hand. The lecture will clarify misconceptions on mental health as well further educate people on mental illness. Take a look. Dr. Ardis Hansen from the University of South Florida will speak at the National Library on examining the role of expert and evidence in mental health services, research, and policy.
I really want to help destigmatize what is mental illness. So persons with mental illnesses receive the treatment they need and they should have. And also it changes the public perception of mental illness. So mental illness is not something to be hidden away in a closet or kept away as a taboo, but is instead saying it's just like any other illness, such as diabetes or having to wear glasses. It's that ubiquitous and it's that common and should be treated just as another disorder, not as something that is scary to the public. Particularly in a small area or a small nation such as Aruba, or in a small rural area, for example, in Florida, the notion of having mental illness and not being able to engage fully in society not only affects that individual, but also affects their family members, because there are secrets to be hidden, things not to be talked about. Persons with mental illnesses oftentimes have more severe physical illnesses, because since they have a mental illness, they will not go to the doctor, because they don't want people to know they have a mental illness. Or the family member may say, we don't want people to know that you also have this, so they will not go and receive treatment. Mental illnesses also cause additional physiological changes that can then impact subsequent physical illnesses such as diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, as well as other brain and neurological disorders.
On the next edition of the show, the mental illness specialist will go into further details on the topic. Now, for now, join us back on location right here by the pier when we come back.